Okay, so today we're going to look at the count and COUNTA functions in Excel. So the first thing to note, the main difference between the two functions is that the count function will only count numbers, whereas the COUNTA function counts any cell with a value in it. So this can include a string. Let me demonstrate this for you. So just create a cell there with number of tests sat. In column G, what we're going to try and do is create a count of how many tests were sat. As you can see, the dataset on the left has the student names, the class for the test they were sitting, and then their score out of 100. So just to show you how the count function works, if we start by saying equals count, if I was to count everything in column A, it'll come out 0. Now, as I mentioned, that's because the count function only counts numbers. So let's start again with that. So if we were to use the count function, we would say equals count, open bracket, and because column C, our test score, is numbers, we can use the count function to count how many tests were sat from column C. So we can simply select everything in column C, close bracket, and now we have our test count. Now, if you didn't want to use numbers, or you didn't have numbers in your data set, you can use the COUNTA function. So again, equals count A, open bracket. Now if you wanted to count our names, select the range, close bracket, hit enter, and you can see that now counts the number of tests sat. So that's the difference between the count function and the COUNTA function, and it's important to remember that.